Put a flat blade under the front and prise up. Don't worry about bending the little clip. That can be bent back by pushing on something hard. The floor or something, just so that it's bent back like that. To put the switches back, put the back in first and then press the front down and it clips in. The plugs are all coloured and only fit the ones that fit, the grey in the grey, the brown in the brown. The small brown one has a clip either side that you push together to extract it. The grey one and the brown one have a clip there that you have to push in and then just wiggle it till it comes out. Okay. You can change the whole lot, or you can change just the switch by pressing those two lugs in till they click. Turn it round, press those two in. Oh, they've clicked back again. Try again. Those two in, left. Those two in, left. And the switch comes out. But you're probably better off just changing the whole unit and keep the other one as a spare.